Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Maths Tube. We are going to solve two word problems today. Let us start with the first problem. Problem number 1. To get a school award, Kim needs to get average marks of 80 or more in 5 tests. In the first 4 tests, she has got 76, 81, 79 and 83 marks. What is the minimum mark she must obtain in her 5th test to get the school award? Minimum total marks needed in 5 tests to get the award is 80 times 5 or 400. Since the average marks needed is 80, so if we multiply 80 with 5, we get the total marks needed to get the award, which is 400. Total marks obtained in first 4 tests are given, which is 76 plus 81 plus 79 plus 83, which gives us total of 319. So if we subtract 319 from 400, so we will get the mark Kim must obtain in her 5th test to get the average of 80 or more. So the minimum mark Kim must obtain in her 5th test is 400 minus 319, which gives us 81. So this is the answer for the first problem. Now we'll go to the next problem, problem number 2. Tom scored 69, 53 and 84 runs in 3 matches of local one-day cricket. In the 4th match, he scored double of his second match. What are his average runs for 4 matches? 4th match score of Tom is the double of second match, which is 53. So 53 times 2 gives us 106 runs, which is the score for 4th matches. So the total score of 4 matches is 69 plus 53 plus 84 and the 4th score, which is 106. So it gives us total of 312 runs. So to get the average, we have to divide 312 by 4 because there are 4 matches here. So average scores for 4 matches is 312 divided by 4, which gives us 78 runs. So this is the answer for the problem number 2, and this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching the video. We'll solve some more problems in the next video. Thank you everyone.